Alright, here you go. It's unboxing time. This is so I have to lay the box down so that I can pull it. Whew. There's the beater. Pearl. There you go. And there we have it. Look at this thing. Alright, here you go. So it comes with your standard dough hook, this paddle beater, and this wire whisk, and a, let me see here, a 7-quart bowl. Ding! Right there. It's a biggie. And what I love about this is that it's not tilted. This one doesn't go up. Instead, it lifts, which is super cool. And it also comes with a bonus 3-quart bowl for making your buttercream icing or maybe smaller batches. It comes with this whipper and the spatula. There you have it. Oh, it's made and it's gorgeous. Can't wait to make breads. I'm gonna be making my favorite ensaymada. Watch out for it. Anyways, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video.